Hi. What is the career growth of a software test engineer in IT industry? That's what we are going to discuss today. Let me choose me as an example here. I started my career in 2008 as a software test engineer. അവിടുന്ന് ഒരു 2 to 5 years കഴിയുമ്പോൾ you will be getting your first designation advancement as a software test engineer. പിന്നെ in another 3 to 5 years you will be getting the designation of senior software tester 2. Once you cross the mark of 6 to 8 years, you are privileged to get the title of a software QA leader. ഇനിയാണ് ചെറിയൊരു ടെസ്റ്റ്. Here you need to take a decision whether you want to take your career in the technical fashion or you yourself want to jump into the management ladder. Either you can aim to be a QA architect as an individual contributor, provided you need to be a hardcore techie. Otherwise, you have the option to take a Scrum Master role, or even you have another option as a business analyst. These are the two options where you can start your management career. Now in that role, you can continue your career at least for the next 5 years. Now you should be having an experience of 13 to 15 years, right? So let's take a pause here. The next level of experience, which is 15 to 25 years, that we'll take in the next video. Now just let us know what is your current experience level and what is the current designation or title that you possess now.